Hey you guys, welcome back to Jay's Journal. In today's video, I will be showing you guys how I achieved this here makeup look. This is my absolute go-to. If you guys want to see how I did this, then please continue to watch. Hey you guys, so actually let me bring this in a little bit more. I feel like I might like it at this angle just a bit more. So I just cleansed my skin and I have a video to film today. So I just figured let's go ahead and do my makeup. So I'm going to go ahead and put on I'm going to apply this Danessa Myricks Yummy Skin Serum. I never use this, so I like the smell of this. It's not overpowering or anything. That's nice. It literally feels like skincare. I just have a mixture of my Estée Lauder foundations in this airless pump, in this airless foundation bottle. There we go. And I'm going to use my BK Beauty brush. This is the 116 and blend it in our foundation. Double wear concealers. One is brightening but closer to my skin tone, and then the other one is very brightening. I love this concealer. I do have backups of it, but I want to take this top part off and see if I can get to the rest of this because there's still so much at the bottom. You guys, this reminds me of a lip gloss tube. Now I'm going to go in with the lighter shade, and I don't need to use too much of this. That's why this one is super full still. I'm going to put a little bit in the inner corner on the brow bone and the tip of my nose and a little in my forehead. Normally I don't apply my super light concealer on the forehead, but we didn't go in with too much concealer on there in the first place. So let's go ahead and blend this in. So concealer is blended in. I think I'm going to use my Ben Nye powder today. I'm going to use my Ben Nye Luxury powder. And this is in the shade Butterscotch. It looks like this. It's very finely milled. And I'm going to use I'm going to use a little powder puff. And we're just going to set under our eyes. I use my BK Beauty brush. This is the 107 brush. And my Estée Lauder powder. This is 5W2 Caramel. And I'm just going to set my face. Now I'm going to go in with my Juvia's Place Tan Bronze Palette. I'm going to use the bottom color to contour my nose just lightly. I like to blend it in with the top color a little bit just to make it a little bit more neutral. And I just follow the natural shape of my nose right down the side like that. All right, I'm just going to use a MAC 224 brush going in with that bronzer color. Blending that all across the lid and into the front of the brow, just like that on both sides. Keeping it really simple. And then let's go ahead and move on to the brows. I should have molded them down first. What I'm going to do is I'm going to be using the Lamination, you guys see, the Lamination Brow Gel Set from the Dollar Tree. This one went viral and I was on a hunt for this. So let's see how it is with makeup on. I did try it on one eyebrow when I first got it just to see, and it worked really well, but I didn't have any makeup on my face, so hopefully it still works well. And then I'm gonna brush this through. Let's do comb side. I'm gonna comb it up. This stuff works so well, and it actually works good with me having makeup on, so I'm happy about that. I think in the future I'll definitely do this first just to avoid the stickiness on top of my makeup. And then I'm going to go back in with my powder puff and just set on top of it, and hopefully it sets nicely to take away some of the stickiness. And then we'll dust away the powder. And then the brow pencil I'm using today, The brow pencil I'm using today is this micro square brow pencil from NK. I got this at a beauty supply while I was in New Orleans, and I really like it. It's only like, I love me a good cheap brow pencil, I'm not gonna lie. I'm just outlining the bottom of the brow like this, just like that. And then I'm going to fill in the brow a little. I know I can't really brush it through the way that I want to, but I'm going to try my best without like the product too much. This is definitely something I would want to do before applying my full face of makeup. But those brows are not moving, so that's good. Okay, I went ahead and took care of the brows off camera. Now I'm going to go ahead and apply my liquid eyeliner. I'm going to apply my eyeliner. I also got this from a beauty supply while I was in New Orleans. This is the liquid black, it's jet black liquid liner. And this is what is this? This is by Absolute. The brand is Absolute Beauty Supply. And we're just going to do a cute little wing. I like this eyeliner. It's not matte, but I like it. Ready? I think I'm going to go ahead and go in with a brighter powder. Yeah, I'm going with a brighter powder to put under the eye that I can really highlight under there. And I'm just going to use my MAC Studio Fix powder. And then let's go ahead and apply some blush. Some blush. Softly, and I'm still falling. What blush do I want to use? Let's do the Juvia's Place blush palette. This is the Saharan blush palette, volume 2. And I never use this, so as you can tell, it's mostly because I just truly love this one color, but I'm going to mix it up and use other colors that they have in here. So I'm going to go in with this one. Okay, what kind of, I almost forgot I need to apply bronzer. Let's do that. I'm going to use my Estee Lauder bronzer. It comes with a little brush, but normally I only use the brush if I'm traveling, so we're going to do it today though. Look at how, I love this bronzer. All right, now we're gonna go back in with the blush. Oh, this is pretty. I don't know why I wasn't using this before. What's wrong with me? You know, it changes over the years, and I've had this palette for maybe like 7, so it makes sense. All right, let's go ahead and brush away the under eye powder. Yeah, I have this blush color. It's cute. Okay, and I really want to do like a bomb nude, you guys. Like, I really like wanting to try a very muted nude. Like today, it's just been on my mind heavy. And like, I see the girls, like other skin girls that just like have super, super bomb muted nude lip color. And I'm like, I need to do that today. So that's what I'm going to do. This is the Lauder Gilded Honey. If you know, this is an OG staple. I'm just going to pop that in the inner corner. And I also like to put a little bit at the tip of my nose, like that. Now we can go ahead and set our face real quick before we apply like mascara and stuff. My Morphe Continuous Setting Mist. Hold on. Okay, so to achieve the lip look I'm going for, I am going to use a lot of pencils. I'm going to use a lot of lip liners. So I have these 3. One of them is NK. And this is in the color Honey Brown. So these are my lighter colors. I also have Maple Glaze by LA Girl. And then I have My Boo by Morphe. It's one of the Soulmate liners. And then I have a NK Stay Waterproof Liner. And this is in Brown 03. And then I also have Chai Latte, which is a LA Girl Pro pencil. You guys can use it all the time. So first, the Stay Brown 03 is much darker than the Chai Latte. So, and I see these combos with a darker lip liner. So let's see. Doesn't look that dark. Let me try the Chai Latte. No, this one just creates a shadow. The other day when I put it on, it looked darker. No, it's just cool tone. I think I'm going to stick with that one because the Chai Latte is just slightly warmer. And every time I see this, it's always like cooled. So we're just gonna stick to this pencil, the first one. This is what that's looking like so far. Darker, so I'm gonna go in with another NK lip pencil, and this one is in Tiramisu. This is like really, so let me sharpen it down. Let's do this one. Yes, yes. I'm using this on the most outer part of the lip. Okay, I think we're getting somewhere. We got the darker lip pencil on. Alrighty, let me see which of these three is the most nude and muted. That'll look super pale on my lips. I think it's gonna be the Morphe one, honestly. Most definitely, it's the Morphe one. And the other two, one pulls more pink and one pulls a little bit more peachy. So we're gonna go in with the honey brown, or no, this is the My Boo by Morphe. And low key, want to use like a muted nude, but we're gonna go in with this first. So yes, wow, so pretty already. It's the powdery nude that I've been seeing on the girls. I had to try. I'm gonna take this. Do I want to do this one? Let me see what other colors I have right here. I think this would be much better, because Really Me by MAC has too much pink to it. I'm gonna go in with Really Me. Do you guys see how muted of a nude that is? It literally matches the lip liner, and this is even brighter. Look at that. I'm just using this little brush here from BK Beauty. It's the 210 brush. Okay, let me go back in with the Tiramisu lip pencil. Okay, different, you guys. I'm gonna go in with, dang, this one peeled off. Shoot. Well, it's like one of these super nude glosses in see-through. I'm gonna do a little bit of both layered on the lip. I'm so mad I can't remember what the name of this is. This color actually matches the actual lip color. That see-through is brighter though. And then I'm gonna go in with my clear gloss. This is a MAC lip gloss. I don't know where my regular size is. This is the travel one that I normally use. We're gonna do a little bit of this. We're gonna use a little bit of this. I'm gonna do just a little bit more of my brown. I'm gonna do a little bit of chai latte. I feel like this is just a little bit, this is an extreme for me. All right. Now I'm just gonna use my little doe foot applicator. Okay. This gloss, y'all, I always use like a disposable when I do this so that it doesn't mix like my other glosses together and stuff like that, but it's kind of cute. What do you guys think? All right, I'm gonna go ahead and apply some mascara. I'm using my MAC Extended Play Gigablack Lash Mascara. I've been using this mascara since I was like 19. To the MAC counter and like the limited edition version first. This is back when the Rihanna MAC collaboration came out, and it was like Talk Talk and Riri Woo. If you know, years before Fenty existed, and like her launch with MAC was such a success. I literally still have stuff from that collection. Literally. Matter of fact, I need to find some of that stuff because some of my stuff missing. I don't like that. Okay, so this is going to be the final look. I did go ahead and let down my curls and brush my hair out. I also took off the lip color and just added a little bit of Night Moth lip pencil. And I also put on the In the Flesh Not Beauty lip gloss. I don't know why I have not worn these, but I absolutely love them, and I love the way, this looks. I love the color. What do you guys think? Let me know down below in the comment section what you guys want to see next, and I will see you guys in the next video. Ciao.